Welding can be a dangerous profession, but with the right protection, you can keep your eyes safe from sparks, debris, and harmful UV radiation. In today's video, we're going to cover the 7 best goggles for welding to protect your eyes. These goggles provide top-notch protection, comfort, and durability, making them ideal for every welder. If you're looking for goggles that offer clear visibility, proper fit, and ultimate protection, keep watching as we explore these top choices. Number 1. Lanon Welding Safety Glasses. The Lanon Welding Safety Glasses are designed for welders who need reliable eye protection without compromising comfort. These glasses are built with a lightweight frame, making them ideal for long hours in the workshop. The design features a wraparound style that provides full coverage, ensuring that sparks and debris are kept out from all angles. What sets these glasses apart is their high-quality lenses, which offer excellent protection against UV and IR radiation. They are equipped with an anti-scratch coating to prevent damage during use, maintaining clear vision even in tough conditions. These glasses are suitable for a range of welding tasks from MIG to TIG welding, offering solid protection against both light and intense flashes. The Lanon Welding Safety Glasses also feature soft rubber temple tips that enhance comfort and provide a secure fit. Whether you're working in a small or large space, these glasses ensure you're well protected without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. Their durability and affordability make them a great choice for both novice and experienced welders.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. AnTools IR 5.0 Welding Glasses. Next, we have the AnTools IR 5.0 Welding Glasses, which are perfect for anyone seeking a combination of safety and style. These glasses feature a high-impact resistant design, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of welding tasks. The lenses are made with infrared protection, offering superior protection against harmful UV and IR rays that can damage your eyes over time. The AnTools IR 5.0 welding glasses come equipped with a comfortable frame that is lightweight, providing a secure fit without causing discomfort. The sleek, modern design features a wraparound style that protects your eyes from flying debris and sparks, while the clear lenses allow for optimal visibility of your work area. This makes it easier to focus on precision tasks. One of the standout features of these welding glasses is the advanced anti-fog technology built into the lenses. This ensures clear vision even in high heat conditions, where fogging can often become a problem. If you're looking for safety glasses that offer a perfect balance of comfort and functionality, the AnTools IR 5.0 is a great choice. Number 3. Tovia LCD Welder Glasses. The Tovia LCD Welder Glasses are designed for those who need protection from both the bright flashes of welding and the harmful UV rays. What sets these goggles apart is the LCD screen, which automatically adjusts to the brightness of the arc, offering a seamless transition from light to dark. This feature makes them especially suitable for welders working in different lighting conditions. The glasses are built with a comfortable and lightweight frame that fits snugly on your face, preventing any gaps where sparks could enter. The lens quality is excellent, providing clear and distortion-free vision, even during intense welding. With an adjustable headband, these goggles can be customized to fit your head size, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. Tovia's LCD welder glasses are perfect for those who require high-level protection and easy adjustment for various welding jobs. Whether you're welding indoors or outdoors, the lens reacts to the brightness of your surroundings, ensuring that your eyes are always protected from harmful flashes and UV rays. Number 4. Bantida IPL Safety Glasses for Welding. The Bantida IPL safety glasses are specifically designed for welders who need robust protection against intense light and UV radiation. These glasses feature a specially designed lens that filters out harmful UV and IR light, while allowing clear visibility. The lenses have a high-definition tint that ensures sharp contrast and bright vision, helping you maintain precision during your welding projects. Bantida IPL safety glasses offer a lightweight frame that fits comfortably and securely on your face. The ergonomic design ensures that the glasses stay in place even when moving or adjusting your position. The frame is made of durable materials that can withstand the pressure of industrial environments without cracking or breaking. These safety glasses are equipped with anti-scratch and anti-fog coatings, making them ideal for tough work environments where clarity is essential. With these glasses, you get not only protection but also long-lasting durability, ensuring that they can handle the demands of frequent use. Whether you're working with MIG, TIG, or arc welding, the Bantida IPL safety glasses provide the necessary protection. Number 5. Pacific PPE Welding Safety Glasses. Pacific PPE welding safety glasses offer a perfect blend of comfort and durability for every welder. Made from high-quality materials, these goggles are equipped with protective lenses that guard against both UV and IR radiation. The frame is made of tough, impact-resistant plastic that offers protection from flying debris and sparks, making these glasses highly durable in demanding environments. What makes the Pacific PPE welding safety glasses stand out is their superior lens technology. The lenses are designed to provide optimal clarity, reducing eye strain and fatigue even during long hours of work. With a wraparound design, these goggles offer full coverage, ensuring that harmful particles cannot slip through gaps around the sides. The adjustable headband ensures a secure fit, while the lightweight design ensures that these goggles remain comfortable throughout the day. Whether you're working in a high-heat environment or need long-lasting protection, the Pacific PPE welding safety glasses are up to the task. Their reliable performance makes them a top choice for professional welders. Number 6. YesWelder True Color Welding Goggles. The YesWelder True Color Welding Goggles are designed to provide excellent protection against bright flashes and harmful UV rays while allowing for true color perception. These goggles are equipped with advanced true color technology, which enables you to see your work in clear, vibrant colors, even while welding. This is especially useful for precise tasks, where accurate color differentiation is crucial. The goggles are lightweight and comfortable, with an adjustable headband that ensures a snug and secure fit. The high-quality lenses offer excellent protection from UV and IR radiation, preventing eye damage while you work. These goggles are also designed to be durable, with a sturdy frame that can withstand the demands of regular welding tasks. The YesWelder goggles are also equipped with anti-fog coatings, ensuring that the lenses stay clear, even in high-humidity environments. Whether you're a professional welder or hobbyist, the YesWelder True Color Welding Goggles provide the protection you need with added convenience and comfort. Number 7. Hobart Welding Oxy-Acetylene Goggle. Last but not least, the Hobart Welding Oxy-Acetylene Goggle offers exceptional protection and comfort for those who require precise vision during oxy-acetylene welding. These goggles are designed with a compact, lightweight frame that provides a secure fit while keeping harmful debris and sparks away from your eyes. The lenses are equipped with a high-quality coating that protects against harmful UV and IR radiation. The Hobart Welding Oxy-Acetylene Goggle stands out for its versatility. It is compatible with both welding and cutting tasks, making it a perfect all-in-one solution for your welding needs. The goggles are fitted with a wide adjustable headband that ensures a snug and comfortable fit, even during extended use. These goggles are designed for durability, and their simple yet effective design makes them easy to wear and maintain. If you're looking for reliable high-performance goggles for oxy-acetylene welding, the Hobart Welding Oxy-Acetylene Goggle is a top contender. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best goggles for welding to protect your eyes. Whether you're a professional welder or just starting out, these goggles provide the protection, comfort, and clarity you need for a safe and effective welding experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Stay safe, protect your eyes, and happy welding. Thanks for watching.